Hello and welcome to this very cool skating studio in Wakefield. John has been skating for over 20 years. Say hello to everyone.
Hi everyone.
Now through the home visits that Specsavers has been doing, they've seen all the amazing skills and hobbies that the older generation have to offer. Now skating might not be the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of older generation skills, but John is going to change your mind on all of that because he's a shining example of what that generation have to offer all of us. And you're going to teach me how to roller skate, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, looking forward to this. So what kind of gear do I need to get started? I've got the skates
well,
on.
obviously skates, something fairly decent, but they don't have to be really good ones. And quite important is wrist guards. They have like a spring on there, gives you a bit of bounce.
Yeah.
And
You
then,
can get knee pads and things
yes,
as well,
knee
can't you?
pads, elbow pads, and gosh,
The helmet, I think I'll definitely be needing this. Right, now I need to know how to stand up because I'm quite nervous about this. So what do I do?
well, keep your skates well back
Yeah,
so as you can get your centre of gravity before you leave the seat. You get
Yeah.
your centre of gravity over your skates, and if you keep them at an angle to each other, put
Yeah.
your heel into your instep there.
Yeah.
Help to stop them rolling unexpectedly.
right.
And lean forward till you
Yeah.
get your centre of gravity over your skates and just gradually come up.
Oh yeah. Oh, excellent. Well, I'm
Well,
good to learn to skate now, aren't I?
Yeah?
I'm on the skates.
Right.
Already slightly nervous, I'll be honest, John. How do I move?
That's right. You keep your toes slightly apart.
Yeah,
And what I do with some of the little ones, I say just put your toes apart and be a penguin. Pretend you're a penguin.
oh yeah.
There is a simpler step, which is snakes.
Yeah.
You can
You
just
make it look
turn.
so effortless.
You can just put your toes apart,
Yeah.
bend your knees and push your legs apart and pull them back together.
All right, how would you stop yourself from doing the splits at this point?
Turn your toes back together.
Right. How old were you when you got into this?
50.
Were you? Goodness. How?
I used to take my kids to soft play
Yeah.
and at the leisure centre.
Yeah.
And I used to see the people skating in there, and I thought, wow, that'd be fantastic.
So you just rocked up and were like,
Yeah.
I want to learn to skate?
Yeah.
Woo! Now the next question I have, how do you stop?
Right. Well, that sounds simple, but it's not. But this way, you've got most of your weight on one foot, which is difficult.
Okay.
So go on one foot, put your toe block on the floor.
Out. And then,
That's it.
so show me that again. What's this next thing?
Just glide, touch your toes and stand up again.
Right. Okay. I can't do that, not on skates, never mind on it.
You're allowed
What,
to bend
touch
your
my
knees.
toes? Right, I think this is the one I'm most nervous about now. So glide and then touch your toes.
Yeah. Excellent.
Have you had to adapt your skating as you've got older?
No,
No?
I was older when I started. So,
Yeah. Although what, you're in your 70s now, aren't you?
yeah, 74.
Feel
Yeah.
as fit as now as you did in your 50s?
No, no.
No. But,
But yeah, I learned to skate. You just keep going.
yeah.
Right, next one, going on one foot.
Go on, what do I do
I'll
then?
do the whole thing.
Yeah.
Push and glide for 3 seconds.
Can't keep my leg up. Let me
Right,
have another
if you
go.
want to break it down into easier parts, just plain skate up to speed and then go onto one foot. You need to lean away from your free leg. You have to lean away from your free leg in order to maintain the balance.
Right, here we go. So give myself a little go and then,
Yay! That's it, yeah. Right, this is a step that we use to start the dances. You put your feet at 90 degrees, heel to instep, pointing that way.
yeah. Is that right?
Yeah, bend your knees, put your arms out, and push. You do it.
You can do it in one, and I have to keep putting my foot down. So you win a club then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tees Valley Roller Skating Club.
Oh, good old Middlesbrough.
Yeah,
I like that.
Yeah, we practice. We have about 4 or 5 different venues.
Of all ages, do you have?
Yes, all from 4-year-old up. There's no top age limit. Yeah, my
And-
old coach used to say if they can walk, they can skate.
If you can walk, you can skate. I like that. Why do you think it's important for like the older generation to pass on their skills?
Confidence. When you
Yeah.
go to competitions, it really boosts your confidence. Wow, look at that.
High five! Do you think anyone can learn to skate?
Well, if you're physically active, fairly fit, all your joints and muscles work.
Yeah,
Yeah, you do skate with your entire body, mind.
yeah. It can
But
be
it's
hard to start though, can't it, I guess?
It's difficult to get started, yes, but it is totally alien having wheels on your face. Right, little man. There's a tendency on little man to get your centre of gravity too far back.
Yeah. So you
So if you keep your arms horizontal and
Yeah.
stretched as far forward as you can, that helps to keep your weight forward. Down, down, down. Yeah, that's it.
it's like a squat. Right, I'm gonna go back.
That's it.
Need to work on the
Excellent.
direction.
You just need practice. You just
Yeah.
get a little bit lower.
You're such a good teacher, John. No, you are. Like, you saw me at the beginning. I could barely get up. And now look at me, I'm free.
Yay.
I think. So elegantly done. Well, I have thoroughly enjoyed this, John, so thank you. And I hope you guys have at home as well, because that's the end of the lesson now. But you can get lots of more brilliant online tutorials if you've got the Specsavers Generation Wow Hub. See ya.